This video is about review for trig functions. Consider the function f of x equals a sin bx, with b is positive integers. The following diagram shows a part of a graph of f. Write down the value of a. First of all, you need to figure out maximum and minimum point. Pi over 4, 7, 3 pi over 4, negative 7. From given function, you could say no horizontal translation and no vertical translation, which means this midline is x-axis, y equals 0. Since no horizontal translation, when c equals 0, starting point is on the y-axis. So let's draw this pattern. You could say this is a positive sin x pattern. So we can decide a is positive. The value for a, you can use a formula. Absolute value of a amplitude equals maximum minus minimum over 2, which is 7 minus negative 7 over 2 equals 7. Or vertical distance from midline to the maximum point is the amplitude. Either way, you will get this a equals 7. Write down the period of f. We will use this formula. Period equals double the horizontal distance between neighbor maximum and minimum point, which is this distance. So we get 3 pi over 4 minus pi over 4 in this absolute value. 2 times 2 pi over 4 equals pi. Period equals pi. Hence, find the value of b. b equals 2 pi over period equals 2 pi over pi equals 2. C. Find the value of f of pi over 12. F of x equals 7 sin 2x. So f of pi over 12 equals 7 sin 2 times pi over 12. Simplify. We got 7 sin pi over 6. The reference angle is 30 degrees, the first quadrant. 30 degrees while you draw this triangle closer to this x-axis. Shorter leg is 1/2. The longer is square root of 3 over 2. Radians is 1. We know sine is the opposite side, or sine is y coordinate. So we get 7 times 1 over 2 equals 7 over 2. Let's go to question 4. Describe a sequence of 4 transformations that transforms the graph f of x to the graph of y. For x, it's all real numbers. Let's check the difference between f of x and y function. Y equals 5 arctangent. First of all, we need to change this into transformed form. which is take 3 out, x minus 1 over 3. Then plus pi over 4. We need to set up the connection between f of x and y. As the vertical stretch factor, how these 3 change into 5? You have to times 5 over 3 to get into this 5. Therefore, for this 5, we will change 3 times 5 over 3 arctangent. 3 out, x minus 1 over 3. As a vertical translation from pi over 6, how we translate it into pi over 4. Pi over 4 minus pi over 6. Use this formula, a over b plus or minus c over d. We got bd as the denominator, ad plus or minus bc. So cross multiply. We got 6 pi minus 4 pi. Denominator is 24. 2 pi. We got pi over 12. In other words, pi over 6 plus pi over 12. We will get pi over 4 plus pi over 6 plus pi over 12. Then we can do the transformation for 5 over 3. That's the first step. This is 3 as the second step. This minus 1 over 3 as the third step. And pi over 12 as the fourth step. The first step, a vertical stretch with a scale factor of 5 over 3. Second step, a horizontal stretch with a scale factor of 1 over 3. Remember, insider is a liar. Third, a horizontal translation to the right, 1 over 3 unit, because the insider is a liar. Fourth step, a vertical translation up, pi over 12 unit.